Installing a swimming pool is your chance to create the closest thing to paradise in your own backyard. No other investment pays you back in pure pleasure, satisfaction, and lasting enjoyment than a backyard swimming pool. If you can envision it, we can build it. Let your personal style be reflected in your backyard oasis. Contemporary or traditional, you'll find a wide range of design options available for the perfect poolscape. Cody Pools is nationally recognized as a leader in pool design and construction. Welcome to Cody Pools. Building your backyard dream is easier than you think. It can be daunting for homeowners when they decide to dive into building their first swimming pool. You have so many decisions and options to consider. We created this video to help you understand the process from beginning to end of creating and installing a swimming pool.
First thing we do when we receive a call is get general information, where you live, what you're looking for, if you have any ideas, if it's a pool or a pool spa. And then we're going to ask you for a survey, because that's really important. There's a lot of houses that have easements and we cannot put a pool in. So we need to be specific what you want and if it's going to fit in your yard. After we get that information, then we'll set up an appointment to go meet with you. And that'll be usually within a few days of that phone call. As we arrive to the house, what we're looking for are things like access, how we're going to get in, and a lot of different things of what we actually have to do to prepare the area for a pool. In the meantime, what we do is we'll set up our clients a chance to look at some pictures on a computer so they can get some ideas. If they haven't already gotten ideas from the internet, then we have hundreds of pictures to look at of pools that we've completed, and they'll go through them, kind of thumb through and take notes of what they like or dislike. And in that same time, we're measuring the backyard, especially elevation, because it plays a big part on the pool. So we take all the elevation points, take measurements of any trees that need to stay or go, and again, review how we're going to get in and how the construction is going to go. After that, we'll sit down and meet with the client and design the pool either with them at their house, or we would just take information and design it at our office. So that time is spent there with them going over all the options and explaining things, especially if they've never owned a pool before. After that, then we'll set up a second meeting, usually at one of our locations, to go over and review everything in detail and go over the design. The design will be done in a CAD program that's in 3D, so we'll be able to see what it'll look like when it's complete. All our locations have pools, so it really helps you see what you can put on the pool, what type of tile, what type of stone, the interior finish of the pool, the decking material. There's a lot of choices. So all our locations, you'll be able to see that. And at that point, we'll sit down and go over your pricing. We try to be as transparent as we can on all our pricing so you can see where the cost is going. And then at that time, we can also modify and tweak things and take things out or add things. And it's just a matter of getting it exactly the way you want it. The next step is to sign an agreement. Once we have that agreement, that allows us to do all our construction plans, get the HOA ready, and get all your permitting ready. And that usually takes about a week to 10 days. And after that, we're ready to start building your pool. The next step is to meet again at your home with the superintendent, his manager, and the designer. All three of us meet there and we lay out the pool in the backyard so you know exactly where it's going to be. And any minor changes at that time could be done at that point. And then from there, the superintendent takes over the process and is going to build a pool. He'll start with the excavation of the pool, which can take anywhere from 3 days to a week and a half in some areas. And then he goes into doing the plumbing, the steel, shooting the gunite or the shape of the pool with concrete. And then they'll go into doing their tiling, coping. Any water features like rock waterfalls are done at that point. And then they'll do a deck layout to show you where the deck is going to be. After that, then they get into the final step of the pool, which is really plastering the pool and finishing it up. The pool is then filled with water, and our service techs come out and do a startup and teach you how to use the pool. Everything about chemistry, your pumps, how to clean the filter, everything associated with the maintenance of that pool. It takes a couple hours. We call it a pool school, and then from there they'll walk you through it. Our service department is, I think, one of the top parts of our company. At the end, when you're done, you really want someone that knows their stuff. And all the guys and girls there know their chemistry, they know the equipment, they're certified regularly. So it's one of the best service departments, I think, from any pool builder. Last year, we received word that we were rated #1 in the whole country from Pool and Spa News, which is the leading magazine in the pool industry. They're the ones that rate all the pool builders in the country, and they rate them on not only on growth but also on customer service, satisfaction, and satisfaction after the work is done too. So when they combine all those, we were rated #1 in the whole country.
Thank you for considering Cody Pools as your partner in the process of turning your poolscape dream into reality. We look forward to helping you to enhance your residence and lifestyle with the enjoyment, relaxation, and beauty of pool ownership.